Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the US dollar index, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So basically yesterday we had a rally and almost revisited that 1.2890 level that we basically expected in previous days, but the market actually didn't quite test that level. It found the sellers even at 86 and not exactly around the 90-93 area, and market basically finished around open yesterday. The structure is pretty much same. We still have upside trend, we still have a slowdown after the sell-off, and I still expect rally to fully retest 1.2893 and eventually to go in next period towards 1.3049. So structure basically is same as like in past few days, and as long the price is trading above the 1.2705 mark, 700 mark, and we don't have a clear downside break with a strong momentum, I see much more odds for the upside. So buying opportunities are preferable under the current condition. Speaking of the dollar index, basically we can find that price almost reached this projection where if you project this area here and add to this swing here, we almost reached that projection, right? Not quite fully, but then we got a first higher high and higher low yesterday. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, after 7 days in a row, we got a first higher high and higher low day yesterday. So it seems like we start to overlap, and today bar is fully inside of the previous day range. So it seems like market is trying to find a stopping activity and stopping from this sell-off, and we will see if the market will try to eventually retest again the lows, or market will continue to build higher highs and higher lows today. We also have this pivot, which is very important, 102.33. We didn't close above, but if we basically attack today, and if the US dollar index can break this pin bar and take 102.46, that can be actually a very good sign for some potential rally and some pivots here, potentially the test 103.04. So for now, I will say that we have a stopping activity in the first higher high and higher low yesterday, and after seven days in a row. So that can be a stopping activity sign, and we'll see if the market will have power to reverse something bigger, right? For now, I will just say stopping activities going on. Gold market basically reacted exactly like we planned, and this pivot around 1870 basically held very well 2 days ago. Yesterday we had a sell-off. Market didn't close at the low, but now we can see that the market is trying to retest the low at 841. The short midterm trends are down, and as you can see, we got a series of the lower highs and lower lows. And all of this rally that happened here in this area here can just be a corrective rally, and from my perspective this can be basically a bear flag on a daily, and if that is the case, then the 1810 can be again in the play, and eventually even 7090 level. So watch for selling opportunities. Seems like daily is on the bear flag. Speaking of the crude oil, nothing changed. Crude oil basically is still in this heavy sideways condition. Not just in the overall sideways condition in the past months, it is also in consolidation in past days. So this is basically sideways within the bigger sideways. So waiting for the breakout, I think it's the best option on the crude oil, and for now I don't see any kind of the breakout. Again, trading eventually taking the 112.95 can lead us to 116.40, and if we clear the low at 104.90, we can expect even drop towards a 98 mark or even 95 mark. Speaking of the Bitcoin, market tried to go today. Basically, we got some retest, but we didn't break 28,530. We need to see the breakout, the market to hold below in order to for the market to basically try to attack 25,000 mark, 500 or 26,000 mark. For now, this is already 2 weeks in consolidation. We have a 2-week consolidation in a downside cycle in the background. You can see also the 20 exponential, which is the middle of California, trying getting closer to the price. So expect a breakout and watch for a breakout. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.